Got the fly. Finally prevailed. I was like starting to doubt these things. Oh, okay, we're not. Oh, yes. Double header.
Double header, baby.
On the fucking dizzy, bro. Pop it, right? Yeah, right. Just gonna pop it. Holy crap.
Okay.
Joe got that on video.
Yeah.
Okay, buddy? We want this line that we're
We're gonna go left.
Oh, that was yours. That was sharp. No, that was mine. That was yours. That was a sharp.
Why are we going?
Stop spinning.
Yeah, we're gonna go this way. We're gonna go this way.
Go to the
Crank
left.
us this way.
Go to the left.
I'm cranking left. Jeez, everybody's yelling at me.
You gotta look at
You
the
want
motor.
this way?
No, you're good.
Just play the board's on. Just play the board's on. We got triple.
Okay.
We got triple.
Oh.
We have a triple. We have a triple.
Now we go to triple one. Okay.
Unless you're saying this up with these fish. But you're fucking turning. I don't think so. Oh, it's one. Yeah, I got it one.
Holy shit, boys.
Yeah, no, because there's your two. Nobody's gonna get back. This mine's huge.
Yeah, I'm about to keep it.
I don't know what the fuck's going on, guys. I think mine might be off. Mine's off. I don't know. Go. Yep. In the basket. Oh, the net. Take the net. I got it. Found it. Me and Joe up to the front. That's a 20-pound. That's a tang.